Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So we have a double top at the all-time high, pretty much identical candlesticks the past 2 days. FOMC reaction these days don't really do much. They're not what they used to be. And we are seeing a pretty timid reaction today. So resistance is 247.80, 247.79, little double top. We did break to a lower low, but only by 3 cents. So essentially the same range as yesterday. So what we're going to be looking for a bearish break is a break of 247.13, and then a more significant bearish break indicating some more longer-term prolonged consolidation, which relatively speaking means what, 2 days these days? But the level to be watching is 246.18, that higher low, and now we're trying to build another higher low and watching to see if those levels can break or not. That being said, we did have a bullish reaction to the Facebook earnings, so if the tech sector is hot again, the odds of a bull break in the market is more likely than not, and the bulls are pretty close. And if we get an all-time high, we're looking at 248 psychological resistance from there. So on the weekly time frame, not much to see besides the bulls in full control. A little too far zoomed out here, but we've got a bullish green candlestick continuing to the upside, riding exponential support. We've got upper Bollinger Band resistance and watching the bulls in full control. IWM did see a big difference in terms of the candlestick shape, and it's been very strongly correlated to SPY, but there are certainly differences between the two, and this is a much more clear bearish candlestick. So we were unable to get a new all-time high here as well, 144.25, 144.15, and a close down near the low of the day. There's a gap at 142.82, and the key support here is 141.97, the low of the consolidation. As long as we keep forming higher lows, the bulls are in control. If we lose the higher lows, we know a bit more prolonged consolidation is likely to occur. Weekly time frame, upper Bollinger Band. So in the last video I said, historically speaking, you look back and you can see that we've rejected from this upper Bollinger Band 5 weeks, 6 weeks in a row. So the fact that we were over it yesterday, we knew that the odds were, statistically speaking, and looking back at history, that we were more likely than not to close the week below the upper Bollinger Band. We obviously have 2 trading days left to go, but so far so good with that resistance level and being able to use that to know which direction to be looking at. Even if you're just looking for short-term day trades, you can say, okay, we're over the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly right now. I know more likely than not we are likely to reject from this level, so I'm going to be looking for weakness. QQQ on the daily time frame continues strong, higher lows, higher highs, new all-time high. And again, the Facebook reaction certainly going to be helping QQQ and the tech sector overall tomorrow. If those gains hold up, which I assume they will at this point, perhaps during regular trading we might consolidate, but at least to start the day tomorrow, tech sector should be holding up just fine with Amazon earnings on deck tomorrow. So bulls in full control here, a couple higher lows. We got 144.01, 143.35. Stair-step pattern, keeping the bulls in control. Exponential moving averages as support pretty much all month. And looking for the bulls to continue this strength. And breaking the higher lows will be the first indication of consolidation. Bulls in full control on the weekly time frame, looking for a MACD cross and in full control. So I appreciate you watching. We'll see if we get any kind of consolidation on SPY. Watch that tech sector. It's likely to be the driving force tomorrow. We'll check back in. See you then.